My heart is filled with refuge, seeking solace. I say, I seek refuge in the Lord of daybreak. As the dawn breaks and the day begins to brighten, I earnestly seek refuge in the Lord of daybreak, the bringer of this radiant dawn that illuminates the world. If someone gives birth, light surroundings, I seek refuge in the Lord who does this. Seek refuge in the Lord of daybreak from the evil of his creation, seeking refuge from harm of all he created. The day is dawning, it will be daytime soon, life will come alive, the roads, streets, and people will fill up, it will be a happening world until evening. You have been selected as the start of the day, so seek shelter when you begin working. I find refuge in the Lord who brought forth this day at sunrise. On this day he seeks refuge from the malevolence of all that will occur and all that is yet to come into existence and all that is destined to unfold. Seeking refuge in God from evil. When we reach the night, it's even scarier, and there are things that will happen in the darkness. And from the evil of the dark when it settles, and from the evil of the whisperer in the mind. And also those who tie knots upon knots, spitting on them, blowing on them, plotting evil, scheming evil, and especially those who engage in relationships with demons in a metaphysical dimension we don't understand, doing evil to people from behind through processes we call magic and similar. If you pay attention, you'll notice that God has taught us to seek refuge in him from the corners where we're most helpless. This time, it's an entirely new side we've never witnessed before. And from the evil of those who practice witchcraft. How does the surah come to an end? And from the evil of the envious when he envies, I seek refuge in Allah once again to protect me from harm.